Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sushmita. It's good to see you all here again. Today's video is about our root canal sealer by Waldent called Seal Pex. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Waldent Seal Pex is resin-based, non-acrylic, eugenol-free, radiopaque root canal sealing material. It is formulated as powder and liquid system containing Seal Pex powder that has bismuth oxide and methenamine and Seal Pex resin that has epoxy resin. Features: Waldent Seal Pex shows excellent radiopacity due to the presence of bismuth oxide. It shows high flow rate and can easily penetrate into the accessory canals to seal them. The longest setting time of Seal Pex, 9 to 15 hours, allow for correction of filling if required. It is suitable with all obturation techniques. It is a silver-free formula to avoid discoloration of teeth. Epoxy resin-based sealers were introduced to endodontics by Andre Schroeder in 1957 and are currently widely used for obturation of root canal along with core filling material in permanent dentition. Seal Pex should be avoided in patients with hypersensitivity against epoxy resins or other components of root canal filling material. Powder and liquid are mixed on a glass slab using a metal spatula. 2 to 3 unit volume of Seal Pex powder is mixed with 1 volume unit of Seal Pex resin. Mix to a homogeneous consistency. After the biomechanical preparation of the canal, disinfect and dry the canal completely. Check the master point fit into the canal. Use lentulo spiral or reamer to apply Seal Pex into the canal for avoiding overfilling as it hinders proper gutta percha placement. Place Seal Pex by pumping action of lentulo spiral. Now dip the disinfected and dry master point into the Seal Pex. And with pumping motion, slowly push it into the canal. Additional gutta percha points and lateral or vertical condensation methods can be applied. A point to remember: if sodium hypochlorite and hydrogen peroxides are used alternatively for canal irrigation, use hypochlorite as the last agent to avoid reaction of Seal Pex with hydrogen peroxide, which would result in the formulation of bubbles and leave voids. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the content of this video, then click the subscribe button so you can receive notification for more such videos.